Everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add closing animation on FillmoraGo apps editing video. Now let's get started. First, open your FillmoraGo, and then in the previous video, I wanna share to you about how to add opening animation. But in this video, I wanna show you how to add a closing animation. Sam, you just click on the clip and then click on animation, and then after this you can click on out in here, and in here you can see many animation, many closing animation on a FillmoraGo apps. You just click everything you like, maybe on this one or this one. But in here I wanna add this one, so after this you just click in here, check icon. Now we can see the closing of the closing animation, like okay. And then after this you can export the video. So that's how to add a closing animation on FillmoraGo apps editing video. And I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.